Producing content for your social media accounts can be a hurdle and can take a lot of time. But I'm here to tell you that there are very tangible and concrete solutions that you can implement right away with the minimum cost imaginable. In this video, I'm going to show you one specific site that can solve this issue for you. The site that I want to show you here is called Viral Content Design. And it's amazing because it has so many templates that you can choose from that are editable templates. This is content that you can grab and edit and modify according to your needs based on the niche that you desire. For this example, I'm going to show you one of the bundles here. We have the mental health bundle, which is a Canva editable template with a lot of great reviews. All I have to do here is click on add to cart. I go and check out. I put my details and then I can buy via credit card or PayPal. Once I have completed my purchase and the download is ready, I can click on download now. And then I can open this PDF template. The PDF template is going to show me all of the information I need to know regarding how to utilize these editable templates. In this case, I have 600 posts for mental health. The first thing you will see are some instructions and then the clicks and then the links specifically to mental health post 200 templates. We have 200 templates. We have 200 story templates in this case. We have 100 games and quizzes, which is amazing. We have 100 mental health questions, which is also amazing. And then we have some fantastic bonus materials just for you. How amazing is this? All I have to do in this case, I click on one of these. I will be prompted to download these templates directly into my Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, you can open one in a few seconds for free, absolutely no charge whatsoever. I just click this and this is going to immediately download all of these templates directly into my Canva account. And as you can see, here's the beautiful content that I've been talking about. This is amazing. I love these infographics. And if I want to utilize one of these contents, all I have to do is select the content, change its structure if I want to, add my own branding if I need to. Everything is absolutely editable. And this is the amazing part. Look at this, all of this content just for you at your fingertips. So what else do I want to show you? Let's check these games and quizzes. Click here, 100 templates, use template. Look at this, matching game, true or false. What is a proven method for managing stress? Fill in the blanks, word scramble, true or false. If you want to increase your engagement, you can directly do that with these templates. Once you download your templates, you can schedule them via Meta Business Suite, via other scheduling software, or you can just post it directly in your social media. All you need to do is just click on share, download, choose your format, and either download all of the posts at once or download specific pages that you would like. This is the power of social media templates. It saves you so much time on producing content and it helps you automate all your content on any social media that you like. That's it. See you in another cool tutorial.